Hi guys, welcome back to Noun News and Update. As you all know that this channel normally give you rewarding experience and taking you step by step on a guide on how to be able to navigate and do things on your own. If you're a prospective student and you don't know how to apply for National Open University of Nigeria, course, this is videos for you to make sure that you get yourself acquainted and apply successfully to National Open University of Nigeria programs. So first thing you need to do is to go to your browser and type nouonline.net, just something like this, and it's going to take you to this page. It's going to take you to this portal, this website. So after that, you don't have anything to do with these other things. Just come to this more tasks and say and look for apply for admission. So you click on it to apply for admission. It's going to bring a drop down for you. Are you applying for an undergraduate program or postgraduate program? Apply for PhD and so on and so forth. So you're going to choose the one you're applying for. Let's say, for instance, you're applying for an undergraduate program. You click on it like this, and it's going to take you to this page. This page is going to ask you undergraduate programs and the faculty that you're going into. So let's say it's going to show you the admission process if you have not gone through it before. It's expected to have a minimum of five O-level credit results and all sorts. So you choose your faculty. You see a lot of faculty here from agriculture, arts, education, earth science, law, management, faculty of sciences, and social science. So let's say, for instance, we are going for faculty of sciences. Under faculty of sciences, they're still going to ask you to select programs. So we have all these are the programs under the Faculty of Science. Let's just take for instance we choose computer science. Then it's going to ask you for to select level. You click on it, so you see 100 level, 200 and 300 level. If you are applying for 100 level, please note this: you only need most especially you only need only O level results to apply for 100 level. Then from 200 level you need ND A level, so we need OND or A level results. Even if you want to like use HND as well, it's fine, and you want to start from 200 level. But from 300 level you can use HND, you can use BSc, you can even use other relevant certificates after that you use HND and BSc certificate to navigate it. So let's just say for instance we are going 100 level. You click on 100 level like this, then you click on requirement. It's going to show you requirement. So once you click on that, it's going to take you to this page, and so that you see the requirements. So you're going to be seeing the minimum requirement for computer science. You're going to see English, math, physics. This is the compulsory O level subject that at least you must have 6 in all these subjects. Then afterwards, so you can see admission requirement, BSc Computer Science 100 level. Then afterward, you also see other subjects that use and complement it. At least you must have 5 credit units in a course before you can apply for this course. After that, you just click on apply. If you have all this, you click on apply, it's going to take you to this place. So, and it's going to show you the undergraduate admission form. First thing is going to show you your surname, first name, middle name, date of birth, gender, marital status, maiden name, nationality. Let's just say for instance, if you are not in Nigeria, then if you are in Nigeria, you click on Nigeria, it's going to show you state of origins. Choose your state of origin here. Then the local government of that state of origin, then your town that you come from. Then you put your address here, your phone number. Recently now just added WhatsApp number. You can choose your same mobile number if it's the number you are using for WhatsApp. So you can also put it there. Then email, then your name, NIN, you have to put it there. So this one is auto filled. Another thing you need to take note is that you cannot just go ahead and click on apply. It won't go. You have to put this captcha. So this number is just for you to recognize that this is human being that are operating this website. Then you put this captcha exactly the way it is like this. You put after that you click on it. After you click on it, it's going to take you to a page where you're going to generate 5,000 naira, which is admission form for this 100 level. Once you click on it, once you click on it, it will generate it. You click bank branch, and the unique number might display to you. Just copy that unique number out, or it's going to be sent to your email. Then you click on pay. After you have the 5,000 is there, you click on bank branch, you click on pay. Then you copy out the RR code. Once you click on pay, it's going to direct you to Remita portal. You can screenshot, then also copy out the RR code to make your payment. Just go to commercial bank and make payment there. So once you make payment, a printer is going to be sent across to you, um, given to you in the bank. So after you make the payment, well, the next thing you need to do, you can just go back home, because this one you have leave this place. Then you come to the browser again and visit nowonline.net. So it's this simple portal. Now in this website, now you are now applying for admission. You want to like continue after payment. Just click on continue after payment, something like this. Click continue after payment. It's going to ask you payments, continue after payment for undergraduate or for postgraduate or for PhD admission. So you click on undergraduate, don't forget, you click on that. Then it will ask you for your RRR code. They just say this is your RRR code. Please make sure that you type your RRR code complete, and don't put in your RRR code with dash dash. Make sure you type it just this way. Type it all together, your RRR code, and choose the program. Let's just say we choose the program you chose before is BSc computer science. You choose it like this. Once you choose it like this, it's going to also ask for the level. You click on the level, you click on proceed. Once you're done, you do that, it's going to take you to where you choose your study center, your input your O level results one after the other. And also for those who apply for who is applying for direct entry from 200 level, then after you put your O level, it's going to ask you for the O for a certificate, OND certificate. And also if you are applying for 300 level for BS and HND, or you also apply for 200 level, it's going to have there is a column for it where you is going to put all those things. Once you are done, please always double check on all the information you are putting on that form. After this, once you click on proceed now, it's going to take you confirm this error code and take you to the page. So once you click on it, and yeah, you confirm all every down thing in your input feed, then you can click on the submit. So once your stuff is verified and all sorts, and you make sure that the information is correct, within a space of minutes you will be granted admission. So that is it. You'll be granted admission within a space of minutes. So you should just know that admission is granted to you in the space of that. Then maybe you maybe what you are using, you do not see your admission, you'll not be able to print your admission letter. And also what you just need to do, you can reprint it again, or reprint it again after every downloading. You just come to the same home page like this. You can come to the home page like this. You can locate continue after payment the way I told you. Click on something like this. So after that, all you just need to do, you just click on reprint. You have to reprint, and you see it asks you here reprint. If you forgot to print your admission letter, you click on reprint like this. It asks you you print undergraduate admission letter, or you want to print admission form, the one you do before. Then you also click on it to ask you for that same code. Just put the code there that you use and apply. Then you click on submit. It will generate the admission. It will show you the admission letter, and you can now print it. So I believe this is going to like show you step by step on how to apply for admission at National Open University of Nigeria. Just go through it and make sure that you follow the step one after the other. It's pretty very simple to apply at National Open University of Nigeria, and very importantly, confirm all your details while putting in into those input form. So thank you for staying to the end of this video. Kindly give us a thumb up and also subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. Bye.